Welcome to JH. I've been testing out the Froya Organics Acne system for a few weeks, and honestly, it's been a total game changer for my face. It glides on smoothly without making me feel like I've dipped my head in a deep fryer, which is a refreshing change of pace. I've noticed a massive drop in breakouts and redness, leaving my skin looking clear and even-toned for once. Plus, it's packed with natural ingredients, so I don't have to worry about melting my skin with harsh chemicals, because we all know your face shouldn't double as a high school chemistry experiment. The formula is incredibly gentle on my sensitive skin, avoiding that lovely dry, peeling look we all pretend is just natural exfoliation. It's even started fading my old acne scars, which is practically a miracle in this economy. After sticking with it consistently, I'm finally confident enough to go out without a thick mask of makeup. It's officially a permanent part of my daily routine because, shockingly, it actually does what it says on the bottle.